Hi guys, so yesterday we have stopped at one place, so I will be continuing from there onwards. So this is our application, so here the things will be working. So yesterday and the last video I was saying that this will not be as we created. So how the order base is, when you select the product name, the unique IDs of the product should be displayed, and when you select the unique product, the total product of it should be displayed here. So the importance of this I'll be explaining now, so let it be like this. Now I have already created a batch drop down here, so this is product. I'll just go for action performed, so it is here. So that I'm just adding his here, but before that I would like to show you one thing. Here when I compile the when I run the application, it directly shows the product name here, but I don't want to show this like this. I just want to make this null here, means I don't want to show anything here, so that will be like that. Just I'll say product name dot set selected item is equals to set selected item. I'll just put double quotes, I'll just pass nothing there, we'll just see what will happen. So this is how it works. So when I click the product, then the batch number appears here, you can see. So that is how it works. Now once again I'll show you. Here when I select the product, then the batch number appears, and when you select the batch number, then the products will all show there. So here on the batch number action performed, we will be adding the products. Okay, now we have a plenty of things like that. Just so this was another method. What is this method doing here? So this will only show the thing select start from invoice table. So this is showing all the products here, and we'll go for the another thing and come down. So this is showing the total products. Okay, then here at the last I'll be taking this and I'll be placing this at batch number action performed. When the batch number action performed is selected, then the unique product specification details will be shown. So here I'll be pasting this. Now see what will happen. Perfect. Now I'll just select the product here. See, the first batch number is selected automatically, and then the products are shown. So if you have any another unique identification, then the unique identification will be shown like that. So here you can see there are no total products shown. So when I click on the product itself, I just want to know there are how many products here. So this will also be shown on product, not batch. I want to see all the Philips monitor products here, so I'll just do that. So there is another show all products method I have already created last time. Right, this is here. So this will also be shown at the place of a product, right? Perfect, got it. And now I'll just compile this program. Great. Now I'll just select the product. See, there are 190 products and the unique batch has been shown, and here will be your new entry. So I'll be setting that as 0. By default there is nothing value there. I'll put this also 0. This is 0. Okay, yeah, but this should be right alignment. Perfect. Now what we will do, this is done perfectly. Got it. Select the product and add. Now here you can see I'm just doing an invoice here. So first we'll select the customer name, and the customer mobile number will be displayed here, or you can make it with a mobile number display the customer name. So both can be done. So we don't know, a customer may come and he'll be just saying he may be our previous customer, so we'll just ask his mobile number, some 8121 720 something like that, and I'll just press enter. Then the customer name should display here. Or there is another way, you can just scroll the customer names here, all your previous customers. So there may be two different, there may be a chance that there may have two same customers, but it is unique that you will have only a unique mobile number for the individual customer. So it's better to retrieve the customer name with mobile number. So shall we start with that? So I'll just write a query for that. Downloads, it's in downloads, h2 database. I'll just put this in I'll just try to put this in quick access, so it's here. I'll just start my database. Perfect. Now I'll just compile. See here, invoice table. So I just want to get the customer's name. I just want to get the customer name. So let me see where is the customer name. So customer name is intact about something XYZ, and mobile number is something this 8121720217. Now I'll just select address comma select address comma COS customer name from invoice table where customer number equals to, I'll just pass this one, right? Got it. So this will be displayed there. I'll just pass this query. So before that I would like to create a method of that. So on top place I'll just create a method of this. Right, I'll be using one of these methods, right? It's better to close connection when you use a connection, right? So I'm just copy pasting this, so you can't have two same method names here without any different parameters as per the Java rules. So this will be get details with mobile number. Get details with mobile number, right? I'll just paste my query here. So here will be my mobile number dot get text, right? Mobile customer mobile number dot get text. Sure. Now I'll just make a comparison. Oh sorry, I have done a small wrong here. What went wrong? The database is already existed, but after this we are only retrieving a single row here, so I'll just use if condition. So customer name dot set selected item, right? What will say set common dot get string. What will say is we'll just go to our database and customer name, right? We'll just paste the customer name here, or you can just pass two also here, because in our query we are having only two data. So customer name, so another one will be the customer address ADD address dot set text, right? You can just pass set common. I'm showing different ways of retrieving, so don't get confused. I'm using different styles of retrieving here. In one place I have passed the column name. In one place I have passed the index number and the column number. So if anything is perfect. If you are using a star query, for example, if you are using a star query, there may be a plenty of tables, so that you may be, it may be difficult for you to count the column names and write the column numbers here. So for in that case you can simply paste the column names here. But here if you check, I only have one retrievation data, whether it is here or it's here. I'm just showing one address and customer name. That means I'm sure that there are only two ones, so I'll be passing in the address place 1 and the customer name is 2. So this is another way of getting data, but both are correct. Don't get confused at which one you to use. It depends upon your understanding application. It's all backend work that what we do, so the database is already existing. So I'll just close it. Where is my database? I'll just close this database and I'll just show you here. This get details with mobile number will be at a key pressed event. Now see what to do. Click on right click on mobile number, action perform, and key pressed. So here I just want to show only action on enter key, like shown before. If arg0 dot get key code double equals to k event dot vk enter, so that when I press only enter, then the mobile number will be shown. So here I'll be passing that get details with mobile number, right? Perfect. Now here I'll just press 8121720217 and just press enter. So you can see the address has been displayed with the name of the customer. So this is more unique way to get the details with mobile number, right? So this will be more easy. And invoice date, invoice number, and if you want to show the all customer names here, so there may be a chance you just want to scroll the names with customer names, you just want to add the names with customer. So we'll just retrieve the data with customer name also, to be more specific here. So I'll just write the same query, but here in mobile this will be the same. So I'll just copy paste this, just paste it here. Get details with mobile number and get details with the customer name, right? So same address, and here address and mobile number will be my customer number, will be my required data. So I'll just pass the customer number here, CUSNO. So I'll just, and here will be, sorry, it's small n, here will be my product name, customer name dot get selected item dot toString, right? I'll just press enter here, so to make it more in 2 lines. So here I'll be putting address will be common, and here will be my customer number, mobile number dot set selected item won't be this. So set text, so set text, right? But you need to show the customer names also there, right? So what we will do, So here the customer name is not shown, database is already in exist, no problem. So it says, now we'll just compile this. So I hope the best way is with mobile number 21, but the best way is the other way is we should show the customer drop downs like product drop downs here, so that will be more easy, right? So okay, right, this was a common problem I used to face all the time. Right. Now we got the complete details. Now this customer retrievation I'll be showing now. Select distinct customer names. So I'll be doing like this. Distinct 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 CUS custom name from invoice table, right? There's only one person in Abode, so this I'll be showing there. The same thing will be here also. I'll just copy this and I'll just paste it here, and I'll get customer drop down. Right, perfect. I'll just pass this query here. Good. Now here I'll be using the while condition, because we'll have a plenty of rows here. So if you are only trying to retrieve one row, you have to use if condition. If you are trying to use more than one row, then it's better to go for while. It's not better, it is recommended to go for while. So for the same way is customer name dot gets add item set common dot get string. This will be 1. So we perfectly know that customer name is at only one column name we are trying to retrieve here. So this should also be passed at the time of application startup, and I'll just put it here. Right, sorry, I forgot to place the semicolon here. Just run. Oh, there is another the same problem here. So this will be, now I just want to not show that at startup. So what I'll be doing is I'll put customer name dot set selected item and just put like this. See what will happen. So you have to select the customer name. So as soon as you select the customer name, the mobile number and address should be displayed here. So we'll just pass the method here, action performed. So I'll just pass the action performed, get details with the customer name. Got it? Perfect. Now see what will happen. I'll just put like this. Sorry, nothing happened. We'll see what is the problem here. I have done. So select address customer number from address comma customer number from invoice table, where customer number is equals to customer name dot get selected item dot toast. So perfect. So address dot set text get string. Yeah, everything is fine here, but what went wrong? Connection, select address, customer name. Let me solve this. So I got the problem actually. So at the where I'm writing a method, this was a copy pasted method, right? Here I forgot to put the name, right? I think it will work now. Sorry, something's wrong here. I'll just close this. I'll just run again. Perfect. So like this you will be getting the address also, and the other way is that, so here I would like to do one thing is, if the person types some wrong mobile number, we'll just remove this. Also that will be in final part, don't get worried. So we are getting the data good. So invoice date is what date you make it, right? Invoice number will be anything whatever you type, but make sure invoice number is an unique number. So we'll write a validation also for this. Good, everything is fine. Now what is the purpose of add? So when you click on add, all the things will be means if you want to add new products, so add is nothing but when you click on add, so that you can add all your products, so the stock whatever you have in your shop or in your business. First you need to add your stock in this. So then later if you unclick this, so that you'll get all your product drop downs here and select the product and batch number and just do the sales. So this is how it works. So when you click on add, I just want to remove all 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. When you click on add, I just want to all make this null or zeros, so that I can add a new product here, right? Good. Now I'll do that. And I have one more problem also here. When you click on action, so here it is coming 2, and when I click again, here it comes 3, click again 4. So this was a common problem I used to face when I was doing on the live projects. So how to overcome this, how to show only once. So as soon as you select the products, so the drop down keep on increasing. So how to do this is that at the time of product selection, first remove all the things. It's just action performed. We'll just remove the batch numbers, right? Batch number then dot remove all, right? So this is how it works. Now you can see this problem will not be faced again. What happened? Null point exception. Okay. Just a second. Yeah, it should be at this place. Got it. Now see. So what was the problem is that, so batch number dot get remove all items. I think not remove all, I think remove all items. Let me try with this once. Sorry, let me check this once. So don't get worried guys, I'll be covering that concept in the final, but we are too late. We'll work on the calculations, how the taxes will work, what the content should be displayed at the place of the scroll pan, and how to add products first. The important thing is we'll try to add some products here. When you click on add product, so this will all become null, so that you can add some new products. So just what I'll try to do is that I'll right click on this action, not action, so I'll just click on this action performed. Right here I'll be writing the code if, sorry, we'll just make add products. So I want to make one thing clear here is that when you click on add, I just want to disable this quantity field, so that this if you try to add some number here during the purchases, so that means that you are trying to do some sales, right? So that, so in that case, when you try to add products, I want to make this null, so the retrieval process will be more easy for me. So I'll do that. Let me click on this, action performed. If, so sorry, I have done the same mistake again, so I'll just change this, add products checkbox. Action performed. Add products. Sorry, we have to make it instance. I hope so. We should make this a class variable. Get action performed. If add product checkbox dot is selected, right? First thing is I want to make a quantity product quantity cell quantity dot set enabled false, so that you cannot enter any quantity over there when you're trying to add products. And some hsn code dot set text will be just I'll place dash here, and what will be the next, I'll copy, this will be common, hsn code and batch number dot set selected item. I'll put just this. And another thing is, what we have fields here, hsn code, so total products let be, so hsn code batch number manufacturer, now batch number and manufacturer and MRP rate, sale price, all the things, right? So manufacturer dot set text, right? Of manufacturer will set MRP price dot set text, and after MRP price we'll put sell price. Sorry, the price should not be in a string, we'll put it 0 here, and sell price dot set text will be also 0, and discount percentage dot set text will also be 0, and GST tax dot set selector index 0, so that I'll be putting the first index here. And right, we'll just see. Now just think we are already working, so I just want to add some product here. Perfect, I'm just removing all those things. So expiry date also should be removed, and this also should be removed. Right, exp date dot set selected item dot set text, exp date తర్వాత sorry, product name dot set selected item, this will also be null. Right, I'll just click like this, so that we cannot add the quantity here, just add your product. I just want to make this also null, I don't know what it says, add products maybe. Right, product quantity, so I'll just add product quantity also as text product quantity dot set text will also be 0. And one more thing is customer name, mobile number, address, invoice date, invoice number, this will also be null. So just I want to make sure this, I want to clear all this. So customer name, mobile number and address. Customer name dot set selected item 0 and mobile customer mobile number set text nothing. Invoice number dot set text, this will be 0, nothing. We'll just put it okay, no problem. So this will be something, okay, no problem. And after invoice number and invoice date dot set selected item, sorry, invoice date dot set text, sorry, right? Yeah, pops. So it works like this. So address is not cleared. Address dot set text will also be nothing. Got it. Now I'll just try to add. So just think, we are trying to add some names here, and this here, this and this. So when I click on add, so everything is disabled, so that you can add some new product here. So let me add. So already there is Philips monitor, but I'll go for Samsung keyboard, right? And MRP rate will be 100 and sell price will be some 250. Discount, so at the place of discount, where is discount, I'll just put 0 here. From the next time onwards 10%, so I'll not be adding any quantity here. HSN code, so 5050, and batch number will be and manufacturer if anything, and FTR, and expiry date if anything 31 something, you can put it here. So you can just click enter. So I think we have given the enter function here, right? Okay. So at place of 2012 we'll just add one more product, charge. So during adding products, I think this is not necessary to make like this. So just a second, this let it be. I don't set cell quantity dot set text. I just wanted to make it 0, right? So this is how it works. So I'll add some new product here, add, and I'll just make mobile number is also nothing. So I'll go for new product, some keyboard, and HSN code will be 5050, and batch number will be R010021 manufacture. హాయ్ తమ్ముడు దా కృష్ణ ఇంకెవరున్నారు మమ్మీ ఉన్నారు